So in this video, I'm actually painting with my mom. We're doing split cup pours. She's using an 8-section split cup, and I'm using a 6-section split cup. We're just taping the back of the canvases right now, and then putting our push pins in. This helps to keep your canvas up above the surface so that you can clean the drippings that come off and stuff. So you essentially just fill your split cup with whatever colors you choose. You can do this in many different ways. You can use a whole solid color in each section, or you can mix, like you could put a layer of white, a layer of gold, a layer of white. I usually just do a solid color in each section. But if you're using like a smaller section cup, you can do it in different ways. So I just put purple and then gold, I believe, and then black. I have it all on the text on the screen, what colors are coming up. I'm speeding it up because this video was really, really long, so I had to cut some parts out and speed some of it up. But these paintings turned out really, really cool. It was so much fun to do. It was my mom's first time doing one, so I was showing her how I do them. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what we were doing. Enjoy the rest of the video, put some music on, and have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up, comment, and all that good stuff. All right, bye. Alright, so I'm back. So I just wanted to tell you guys, when you do these split cup pours, your two side colors, so the ones on the edges, are going to be the most dominant usually. So I did like a light green and then a dark green, so that those would kind of combine and be the more dominant colors in the painting. You'll see once we pour them out. In hers, she did purple and blue. Alright, so you're going to want to hold your cup pretty high off the canvas. You can either just pour straight and not move the cup, or you can move the cup around like I'm doing, just to kind of give it a little bit of a design. You can also do ring pours with these as well. And then your paint consistency, you want to make sure that it's not too thick. So for like regular straight pours, you're gonna have more of a thicker consistency. For these, you want it to be a little thinner, kind of closer to, I would say about like a 2-second trace. You want when you test it, you want it to come off the stick and not leave like a mound on a mound. You want it to leave a little mound and sink right away. I hope that explains it. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain it. I guess I should have shown the consistency, but I would say about a 2-second trace. So you just do a little trace of the paint is the best way for me to do it. And count from as soon as you put the, do the trace. And if it's 2 seconds, it should be perfect consistency for split cup pours.